Hey everybody, it's Erin Reed from Erin Reed Makes, and today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute monogram pom-pom decorated frame that you can use with an upcycled frame, or you can go get a new one, your call. Change up the colors, have a ton of fun, use a letter for your kids or for yourself, and without further ado, let's jump in. I'm going to show you how to make it. Alright, first stage is find a frame that you like. This happens to be a 12 by 12 frame that is wooden, and I sanded the edges so that way it was nice and smooth and I didn't have any rough pieces sticking out. But any frame, even a picture frame, would work for this, and it does not have to be square. Pick any shape you'd like. Next, I'm going to paint it. Now, I would like mine in white, so I'm choosing a wicker white from Folk Art, which is a plaid paint. And I'm just going to use a brush. This is a Dynasty brush, and just give it a beautiful coat. This is a paint that goes on to any surface. It's multi-surface, and just give it a nice, beautiful coating. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish painting, going all the way around, making sure to get the inside edges here, the outside edges there, and it's looking like one coat's gonna do us just good. So, painting time. So it is all painted and done. I was not worried about the backside because truly nobody's gonna see the backside once this thing is hung up. All right, now it's time to cut our letter. All right, so now it's time to cut out our letter C. I have some Kunin felt here loaded into my Cricut with the rotary blade, and all we have to do is cut. All done, time to pull it out. So now it's time to put the whole thing together. So you're gonna flip over your frame, and first thing we do is we're gonna put in some white paper, plain old white paper. You can pick whatever background paper you want for this. This came with the actual frame, it's like a backer, but I felt like it just needed a little bit more. So I just found some more 12 by 12 sheets that I had, cardboard sheets, kind of thicker, just to give it a little bit more stability. So I found that about 4 of these really gave really good stability. Now that we have our beautiful painted background, it is time to add our pom-poms. These are pom-poms from Incraftables. They're super awesome. Ton of colors. Let me just look at them all. They're awesome. So amazing. Plus, they come with little googly eyes. We're not using the googly eyes today, but now it's time to sort all of these. So there we go, we got all of our pom-poms. My daughter decided she wanted to have the purples, the blues, the blacks, and the whites to go with her letter C. So the C is what fits in the middle, and we're gonna glue that down last to make sure it's nice and centered. But first, we're gonna put our pom-poms on. So I have a little bit of a glue pen. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through, and we've decided that we're gonna do 5 pom-poms in a row. So a little bit of some glue on here. We're starting with the purple. So we're gonna take them and we're just gonna line them up, fit them. And every now and then we add a little sparkly one in there. When I feel like I need to go a little bit more of our glue, I line up a little bit more glue. And so we're doing 5 of one color, and then we're switching gears and we're going to a different color. So this time we're gonna go with light blue. So we go with light blue, and we just need a total of 5. There we go. I'm going to keep on going around, going in groups of 5. We're going to keep on alternating colors. Next, we're going to go black, light purple, then blue, and then just keep on going around. The white we're going to save for the last. And then lastly is that letter C that we cut out. And I cut it so that would be 6 inches tall because I measured ahead of time and realized 6 inches would fit perfectly on here. So then it's just a matter of adding hot glue to the letter itself. So just adding a little bit of glue going all the way around, and then flipping this over so it fits perfectly on there. Thank you guys so much for joining me and learning how to make this super cute pom-pom decorated frame that has a letter for your name, your kid's name, that is monogrammed for that special person in your life, including yourself if you'd like to make it that way. You can easily change out the colors. There's so many amazing colors inside these pom-poms, and you can also change out the color of the felt and also the letter of the felt. Suit whatever you need. Don't forget, all supply links are down in the information section. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye everybody.